Stormtracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Same story, different day for us here in the Pacific Northwest. We still have our high pressure ridge sitting offshore, so that's keeping the big storms away, meaning we don't have any big gully washers, not a lot of new snow up in the mountains, but it is allowing little disturbances. You can see them rolling in from the northwest to the southeast behind my shoulder there, and that's what's been going over top of us here for the last couple of days. So breaks within the clouds, yes, but overall it's been an overcast pattern for us. Now, the good news is the temperatures have stayed fairly mild. We actually got back up into the 50s again today, a little cooler, just a degree or two, but nice to see those 50s this time of year. It's right about where our temperature should be. So what are the temperatures at right now? Speaking of, we're sitting right around 50 degrees as you get down in towards Cottage Grove, up towards Eugene and Corval, sitting at 51 and 50 respectively. It's 34 degrees on top of Willamette Pass right now, a little cooler out in the foothills, 42 in Bend, 53 down in Roseburg, and so far a little wet out to the coast. They've seen some enhanced drizzle at times, otherwise temperatures there sitting in the upper 40s. So here's the setup as we go in towards V-Day. Valentine's Day should stay dry. Most of the sprinkles we'll see overnight tonight and early tomorrow morning should be wrapping up. Best chance for some sunshine probably Friday afternoon. As we get into the weekend, we're looking at not only some more heavier showers come back, but we're going to see a lot of cooler air start to pull in too. A little more return to a wintry conditions that we generally should see this time of year, at least with the bigger systems. So overnight tonight we'll keep some drizzle around. Temperatures will hold right around 43, 44 degrees. Fog down in Roseburg. Don't think you'll see a lot of precipitation make it down there. And here's what we've got. Our ridge is actually starting to build a little stronger. You say, wait a minute, Stapes, what are you talking about? You said these little things are rolling over top. True, but the ridge itself is actually starting to amplify, meaning that it's pushing a little further north. That's important because as that starts to slide northward, that should send all these little disturbances a little further east of us, over in the eastern end of the state and up in eastern Washington, but it won't last. We'll call that for about Friday. As we head in towards the weekend forecast, we've got a couple of systems setting up that will move north and eventually take all that cold air from the Gulf of Alaska and drag it down with it over top of us as we go to Saturday, Sunday, and into next week. So here's how it sets up overnight into tomorrow. Again, better chances for the showers. If they're out there, we'll be up to the north coast and up around Portland metro area. By tomorrow, late afternoon into Friday, we'll see the fog reform. And best afternoon chances for, I'm going to call partly cloudy skies, will likely be on Friday afternoon. So still a chance for some light drizzle along the coast. Otherwise, by tomorrow afternoon and evening, we should be looking okay. We'll see the temperatures in the mid-50s down to the south coast, low 50s in the central coast. Friday, not a bad either. So if you want to hold off on those Valentine's plans till Friday, you're looking good. Saturday, the scattered showers return, and then a little more familiar pattern Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with more rain. Scattered, partly sunny skies, mid to low 50s in the Umpqua tomorrow. The scattered showers don't move back in probably till next week. I'll keep a mention of an isolated one on Saturday, but that's about it. Partly sunny in the Cascades, freezing levels of 5,000 feet. Temperatures around 40 degrees, just sitting around 50 and mostly sunny for the next couple of days out in Bend and Redmond. And then we'll see some snow showers try to push back in by next Tuesday and Wednesday. And if there's snow showers there, you know the mostly cloudy skies in the 50s we've got for the next couple of days will turn into mid-40s by next week too. But overall, let's get back to tomorrow for Valentine's Day. Looks like it should stay dry.
All right. Thanks, Justin.
You bet.